Welcome to Kids Planet Corner. Kids, today we will discuss preposition. Get ready, kids. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun, a person, place, animal, or thing, and another word in a sentence. It usually indicates place, direction, and time. Let's discuss the preposition of place, direction, and time separately for better understanding with example. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns and the other parts of a sentence. In this example, the preposition last indicates the time connection between the subject and the act of buying a car. A preposition of place is a preposition that is used to describe the location of something or someone. In this example, the preposition at indicates the location of the subject. Prepositions of direction describe how a person or thing moves or is directed with respect to other people and things. In this example, the preposition to shows the movement of the subject from one place to another. Common examples of preposition includes the following. Kids, let's do some practice. The owl is in the box. The owl is on the box. The owl is under the box. The owl is behind the box. The owl is between the boxes. The owl is among his friends. The owl is in front of the box. The owl is next to the box. The orange owl is opposite the brown owl. Kids see the picture and make easy sentences with each preposition. Kids again see the picture and make 2 easy sentences with each preposition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, click the bell icon.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.